So you've been looking for a home for months. You finally put an offer on a home that you like, and your agent called you with the good news that your offer was accepted. Congratulations. You're in your way to be a new homeowner. There are 7 steps that you should follow even before you apply for your mortgage, but most importantly, once you apply for your mortgage, so that you don't derail the opportunities to actually close on your dream home. These are the 7 steps. The first one, don't deposit large sums of cash into your account. Second, don't make any large purchases at all. 3, do not co-sign for any loans for anyone. 4, don't switch bank accounts. 5, do not apply for new accounts or new credit. And 6, do not close any accounts whatsoever. And 7, very important, last but not least, is check any financial changes that you see in the horizon with your lender so that you won't derail the opportunities to actually close on a home. If you need a list of reputable lenders, please feel free to check with your real estate professional, and we'll provide you with a list of reputable lenders that can assist you in seeing that dream come true.